Welcome to 8-Bit Simulation. In this episode, hot tracks, cool trucks. We're going to do some simple electronics cooling in Autodesk Fusion 360 to help your red truck keep its lead on that pesky peach truck. But first, our video game challenge. Just record yourself beating this time on the first track of RC Pro AM. Put it on our Autodesk Simulation Facebook page and win a chance for a sweet retro prize. In addition to designing the model in Fusion 360, we're also going to use it to run our thermal analysis. After choosing the simulation interface, we can define the thermal analysis and then define the materials. The majority of the Pro AM truck is created out of plastic. The wheels are defined as rubber, and the battery is set to a nickel-copper alloy. Next, we have to apply the boundary conditions. On all of the surfaces other than the battery, there will be a convection load of 1 watt per square metre Kelvin. After that, with the battery selected, an internal heat value of 3E5 watt per cubic millimetre is applied. Verifying that all of the parts are in contact, we can then press Solve, where the assembly meshes and is analysed in just a few seconds. Checking out the temperature, it looks like the maximum is about 137 degrees Fahrenheit, with much of the plastic reaching over 100 degrees. To lower this, if possible, a simple solution would be to reduce the battery size. After quickly cutting the battery size in half, all that is needed is to go back to the simulation interface and reanalyze the model. We see that this simple change reduces the temperature of the plastic to a much safer value.